a lot of people are still manually posting their content every single day, not realizing that Canva already has a built-in feature that can automate the entire process. And honestly, this is one of the easiest ways to stay consistent without burning out. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule your social media posts directly from Canva step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to plan, organize, and automate your content in just a few clicks. So let's jump right in. First, head over to your Canva account, and on the left-hand panel, look for the three dots. Click on that, then select Content Planner. Once it opens, you'll see a calendar view that helps you clearly visualize your posting schedule. Before you can schedule anything, you need to connect your social media accounts. Choose the platforms you want to use and complete the connection process. Once your accounts are connected, click on Publish Social Media Post. From here, you'll see all your recent designs inside Canva. Simply choose the design you want to post. Then don't forget to change the time and day of your preferred launching of this post. Next, select the platform where you want your content to go, then add your caption. After that, all you have to do is click Schedule. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. Your post is now queued and ready to go live automatically based on your selected time. If you want to stay consistent with your content without the stress of posting every day, this is one of the simplest workflows you can start using right now. In the next videos, we'll go deeper into content strategies and how to plan your posts more effectively. So stay tuned if you want to grow faster using Canva. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.